All right, we're in Hecla. There's one lighthouse, and I don't know if you can see it. Oh, we're gonna go to the other lighthouse. I got friends. Focus. There we go. We'll see how it goes. So that's where we're headed. They're a little ways off the coast now. There's Hecla Marina, and away we go. So behind me, there's all these ice ridges. That's so cool. We are just about at the lighthouse. Par for the course. It is snowing. All right, we made it. There's a lot of deep snow, so it happens. How you doing, Raf?
Good.
Torin?
Good.
I'm gonna, especially his Instagram, I'm gonna tag it. You gotta check it out. It's super cool. I'm actually big fans of both of these guys, so. All right, so we hung out for a bit. Starting to bundle up a bit more. Raf is winter soldier. Torin just still looks glorious as fuck. Now we're gonna make our way back. The brutal part is where we need to go is right there. Doesn't even seem like it's that far. It's getting worse, but somewhere over there is our destination.